Once again, ladies and gentlemen, she is your Bini Bini number 5.
Magpakipot pa, kitang-kita ang lapot sa mga matang mapalilang. Iwati kay na aya-aya, talagang ba nagpapaladalang para ba ika'y sundan ng sundan? Panalangin ka palaging mapasakit, hihintay ng mga pangitain. Hanapan mo na pag-ingat mo na tila hindi matutupasan ang iba pagkatala mong isang tawag. Wala mga nagako, pagkukusayo sa'yo. Nakiramdam ka naman hiling ko.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, she is your Bini Bini number 5. And to complete, once again, ladies and gentlemen, she is your Bini Bini number 6. Panalangin ka palaging mapasakit, hihintay ng mga pangitain. Hanapan mo na pag-ingat mo na nila hindi matutupasan ang iba pagkatala mong isang tawag. Wala mga nagako, pagkukusayo sa'yo. Nakiramdam ka naman hiling ko. Huwag ka nang magpag-ipon pa. Kitang-kita ang lapot sa mga mata mo.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, she is your Binibini number 6. And once again, I'm calling out here all our candidates for Ginoo at Binibini San Isidro 2026. And our Miss Photogenic is... She is Miss Tushman Kaur, Binibini number 1. Congratulations to our Miss Photogenic, Binibini number 1. Art is no other than Ginoon number. Well, you got it right. Our Ginoong People's Choice Award is Ginoo number 6. And so award ay Kalabir, Kagawad Natividad, and Kagawad Duklayan. Who do you think won our Miss People's Choice Award? Well, she is Binibini number. Well, she is Binibini number 1. By the way, once again, ladies and gentlemen, this awards will identify who will be advancing to our final 3. Well, you got it right. She is Binibini number 1. Well, she is Binibini number 1. Wow. That is only our special award. Later on, we will announce our major awards. And I think we are good announcing it. Congratulations to our let's award the Ginoong Best in Production and Advocacy. And to award our Best in Production and Advocacy, let's have sino po yung judges na natin? Judge number 1 and judge number 2. Let's go. Best in Production and Advocacy is no other than Ginoo number. Well, he is Ginoo number 4. Congratulations, Ginoo number 4. Well, she is Binibini number 1. Congratulations, Binibini number 1, the unstoppable Binibini number 1. Well, she is Binibini number 5. Go, Pia. And our Binibining Best in Talent. Sino kaya? Well, our Binibining Best in Talent is no other than Binibini number. Well, she is Binibini number 1. Next award is our Binibining Best in Creative Costume. And she is no other than Binibini number. Sino? She is Binibini number 1. Well, upon aside from your sash and certificates, you will also receive a cash, of course, coming from our organizers. And yes, next award is our Best in Evening Gown. Our Best in Evening Gown is no other than Binibini number. Our Best in Evening Gown is no other than Binibini number 5. Ang tangkad ni Pia, abot mo yung solar. Ano na kayong 5, 4, 3, sorry, disqualified na kayong lahat. Ayan, nasa harap kayo doon. Well, malalaman ng mga audience natin yan kung sino yung ipi-play natin na tourism video. Well, siya po yung nanalo. Let's start with our Ginoong Best in Tourism. Our first finalist to advance garnered an average score of 9. Wag na. Okay, Ginoo. So, Ginoo number 5. Ginoo number 6. And to complete our final 3 sa ating who made it to our final three is no other than Binibini number. But she is Binibini number 1. But she is Binibini number 5. And to complete our final three from our Binibinis, well, she is Binibini number. She is Binibini number 3. Well, to the rest of our candidates, well, congratulations for making it this far. You may now proceed backstage. Okay, ayan. Yes. Gising pa ba ang mga taga-barangay San Isidro? Ayun. It's time to pick your number. And you pick question number 1.
Ano ang isang bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo kahit sa gitna ng isang mahirap na araw? Ulit ito. Ano ang isang bagay na araw?
Maraming salamat po sa napakagandang katanungan. Ang magandang umaga. So, ano ang isang bagay na nagpapasaya sa akin kahit nasa gitna ng mahirap na araw? Ang bagay na ito ay ang pagkakaroon ng kaalaman na mayroong mga tao na nasa aking tabi upang suportahan ako sa araw-araw na hindi ako iiwan kahit na anong mangyari. At ang bagay na iyon ay ang aking pamilya. So, ang aking pamilya ang aking pinanghuhugutan ng lakas sa araw-araw na kahit sa hirap ng buhay, kakayanan kong tumayo upang ipaglaban, upang harapin lahat ng hamon para lang matupad yung mga pangarap at masuklian ang lahat ng pinagpaguran at sakripisyo, pawis dugo na inilaan nila sa akin. Yun lang po, maraming salamat.
Oh, talaga. And it is now time, Binibini number 3. Question number 3.
Good morning again. Here's your question. Kung bibigyan ka ng isang magic wand, anong isang problema sa mundo ang agad mong re-resolvahin? Again, kung bibigyan ka ng isang magic wand, anong isang problema sa mundo ang agad mong re-resolvahin?
If I'm ever put in a situation where I'm given the chance to have a magic wand and make a wish, that would be to make the world realize that we need unity again within us. I believe that the world is lacking unity because we all know the situation that our country is currently facing. I believe that unity is one of the greatest weapon that we can use in order for us to achieve peace in this world. And so if I'm ever given a chance to make a wish, it would be to make people realize that what this world actually needs. Thank you.
Thank you so Ang tapang ng idol nyo. Okay, before we proceed to the announcement of our winners tonight, allow me to present to you Ginoong Masaganang Ani. Well, he garnered an average score of 87.77%. And to award, once again, I'm calling up here, sino din? Yung ating ng Barangay Council. Okay, Barangay Council. Yung mga SC Council natin na kasama ngayon, nandiyan pa po ba sila? Tara po, Barangay Council. Dito po tayo sa may harapan. And our Ginoong Masaganang Ani 2026 is no other than Ginoong number Our Ginoong Masaganang Ani 2026 is no other than Ginoong number. Well, he is Ginoong number 4. May we request our judges please be here na rin sa harapan. Okay na, malawak naman yung court natin. 26. And she is no other than Bini Bini number. Well, she is Bini Bini number 3. Congratulations, Bini Bini number 3, our Bini Bini Masaganang Ani 2026. May we request Ginoo and Ginoo number 6 and Ginoo number 5. Bini Binis, sa gilid muna kayo. Sa gitna kayo, Ginoo number 6 and Ginoo number 5. Okay. Can we give them usog lang po, of our Ginoong San Isidro 2026. So the name that I will not be calling is our first runner-up or our Ginoong Ginintoang Putin 2026. Once again, I will be announcing first the winner of Ginoong San Isidro 2026. And the winner garnered an average score of 92.55%. And our Ginoong San Isidro 2026 is no other than Ginoong number. Well, he is Ginoong number 5. Which means our Ginoong Butil, Ginoong Butil 2026 is Ginoong number 6. Okay.
Happy birthday, David! Regalo na talaga tayo. Regalo talaga, thank you!
Congratulations. 2026 is Ginoong number 5. San Isidro 2026. And our winning San Isidro 2026 garnered an average score of 93.2%. So I will be announcing first the winner. So the name that we will not be calling is our first runner-up or our Binibining Kininto ang Butil 2026. And our Binibining San Isidro 2026 is no other than Binibini number. Our Binibining San Isidro 2026 is no other than Binibini number 1. Which means our Binibini number 5 is our Binibining Ginito ang Butil 2026. So that's what I'm talking about our cumulative scores.